Good day, this is Christina on the night watch at the FleetWeather Ocean Routing Center in New York. It is 05Z on October 17th, and I'll be giving a brief overview of conditions expected in the North Atlantic Ocean over the next few days. First, taking a look at satellite imagery, main features to note are a complex low-pressure system located in the northeast North Atlantic with a cold front extending south-southwestward from the low just west of Ireland. Another complex low-pressure system off the northeastern U.S. coast, and a high-pressure system to its southwest. Taking a look at the GFS, the complex system in the eastern Atlantic will split, with the northern system moving northeastward and the southern center deepening and remaining nearly stationary over the next few days. As you can see, the system will produce an area of very rough to high seas in the North Atlantic late on the 18th into the 19th. Moving on to the western North Atlantic, the weak low-pressure system off the U.S. eastern coast will move northward as another low-pressure system deepens over eastern Canada, and a cold front moves off the U.S. coast, producing gale force winds late on the 17th into the 19th. Also, we see increased winds, strong to gale force in the Gulf of Mexico, which begin to ease up on the 20th. From the FleetWeather Center in New York, this has been Christina with an overview of the North Atlantic Ocean. Stay connected and safe.